Family businesses are the heartbeat of entrepreneurship, built on trust, hard work, and a vision for the future. But they come with unique challenges like balancing family dynamics and relationships and unclear roles. In time, this can lead to standoffs over who's right and who's wrong, costing you time, money, and ultimately, lost revenue. You might be finding sloppy mistakes, missed deadlines, and more customer complaints. At the end of the day, you may even have lost sight of what's really going on in the business, and the problems are only getting worse the harder you try. But if you don't get to the root of these issues, you risk all that hard work going to waste. At Possibility Discovery Center, Inc., we help family businesses navigate these challenges, from designing systems that drive success to preparing the next generation to lead. We offer customized solutions that align with your vision and values. We help you strengthen communication, rebuild trust, and feel confident knowing that your next step will make a lasting difference. And finally, end the cycle of frustration. With PDC, you'll turn challenges into opportunities and secure the legacy you worked so hard to build. And you'll have peace of mind knowing the business is on the right track. Don't wait until it's too late. Let PDC help your family business thrive today and for generations to come.